Have you ever heard about underwater gardening? No, this isn't about growing your favorite flowers in a fish tank. This is about a vital initiative aimed at restoring and protecting one of nature's most beautiful and complex ecosystems, coral reefs. Underwater gardening, in essence, is a process of cultivating and nurturing corals, much like we would with plants on land. The role it plays in coral restoration is crucial, considering the immense threats these vibrant underwater forests face globally. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are teeming with life, hosting a quarter of all marine species. They are the backbone of marine biodiversity. Yet these magnificent structures are under siege from climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. The need to safeguard them is urgent, and this is where underwater gardening steps in, offering a glimmer of hope. Now let's dive deep into the world of underwater gardening in Koh Lipe, Thailand. Koh Lipe, a small island in Thailand, is home to a unique form of gardening. Here the gardeners don't work with soil and seeds, but with corals and marine life. Nestled in the Andaman Sea, Koh Lipe's stunning coral reefs have long been a magnet for tourists and divers from around the globe. However, the very popularity that has brought prosperity to the island has also brought peril to its marine ecosystem. This led to the inception of coral restoration projects, a proactive response to the threats faced by these underwater gardens. Driven by the need to protect the island's marine biodiversity and sustain local tourism, these projects have become crucial to Koh Lipe's survival. They trace their roots back to a handful of committed individuals who years ago started cultivating the first underwater gardens on the island. The task was daunting, but the resolve was strong. They began with small, fragile coral fragments, nurturing them into thriving colonies. These initiatives marked the beginning of a new chapter in the story of Koh Lipe's marine environment. Fast forward to today, and the underwater gardens of Koh Lipe have grown beyond anyone's expectations. The coral restoration initiatives have painted a new vibrant picture on the canvas of the seafloor, a scene that was once marked by the desolation of bleached and dying corals. These projects, through the tireless work of dedicated individuals and organizations, have successfully increased the local coral population and boosted marine biodiversity. It's like an underwater renaissance has taken place, with life teeming in every nook and crevice of the coral structures. Key achievements include the successful transplantation of over 10,000 coral fragments and the creation of numerous artificial reefs. The restoration efforts have also served as a catalyst for the return of various marine species, creating a thriving ecosystem once again. Moreover, these projects have raised awareness about the importance of coral reefs and the role they play in supporting marine life. The success of these projects is a testament to the power of human initiative and the resilience of nature. These underwater gardens are not just about preserving the present, they're about securing the future. As we look ahead, the coral restoration projects in Koh Lipe are set to expand, aiming to create a ripple effect across the world's oceans. The future of these initiatives is focused on tackling the ongoing threats to our coral reefs, namely climate change and pollution. Climate change causes ocean temperatures to rise, leading to coral bleaching, while pollution can smother these underwater gardens. The restoration projects are therefore not only about replanting corals, but also about creating a sustainable environment where they can thrive. The vision is to create a global network of underwater gardens, a chain of thriving ecosystems that can withstand the challenges of our changing world. This isn't just about preserving the beauty of our oceans, it's about preserving life itself. Join the fight to protect these underwater gardens, support the coral restoration efforts in Koh Lipe, and help secure a future for our oceans.